Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download templates from Adobe Express for YouTube intros, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Express website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type YouTube intro templates into the search bar and hit enter. Browse through the various templates displayed on your screen. Click on a template that catches your interest to view it in detail. Review the template's design and features to ensure it suits your needs. If you like the template, click on the Customize button. This action will direct you to the editing workspace. In the editing workspace, you can personalize the text, colors, and graphics. Use the tools on the left sidebar to make your desired changes. Once you're satisfied with your edits, locate the download button in the upper right corner. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. Choose your preferred file format, usually MP4 for video. After selecting the format, click on the Start Download button. Wait for the file to be processed and downloaded to your device. Once the download is complete, check your download folder for the file. Now you have your customized YouTube intro ready for use. Remember to open the file to ensure it meets your expectations. You're now prepared to use your new YouTube intro template in your videos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.